Hi, this is Carlos Cousins. This is a writing question that is asking us to assess the grammatical validity of the underlined portions of a written statement. So for this sort of question, the first thing you want to do is simply read the sentence aloud to yourself and then immediately consider the potential answer choices. So let's do that together. Tomorrow afternoon, you will need to choose between going to see a movie or going to the park. Um, so let's go ahead and consider the first one. Tomorrow afternoon, you. There's no problem here. This is introducing the subject of the sentence. The fact that you have the time information here before the subject makes absolutely no difference, so nothing to worry about there. We'll need to choose, so this is the verb, and this is the right conjugation for you, so there's absolutely no problem. You choose between going to see a movie or, and or here is the third as interest we're considering, and here we see a problem, because to choose between is always going to take, between is always going to take something and something, never or. And I know this can be counterintuitive because in your mind you think, well, I'm either going to do this or I'm going to do that. But when you say choose between, you have to imagine that the or is already given to you, and you have two things that you're comparing, and the two things that you're comparing is what you have to provide after the between. So there's only going to be there's going to be a group of two things, thing one and thing two, that you are going to compare, that you're going to choose from. So if you had or, that would be saying that twice. I'm going to choose between thing one or thing two, makes it sound like you're going to choose between something in thing two individually or thing one individually. So remember that choose between will always take and rather than or, and that's why that's the right answer. Going to the park, well, there's no problem there. There's parallelism between going to see a movie, so no problem, and obviously no error since we've already found something. I hope that helped with this problem. Happy prepping!